Chocolate Vanilla Strawberry Ice Cream Recipe. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Introduction. Chocolate Vanilla Strawberry Ice Cream is a timeless combination that brings together the rich and decadent taste of chocolate, the creamy and comforting flavor of vanilla, and the fruity sweetness of strawberries. This recipe will guide you through the process of making this delightful frozen treat from scratch. Prepare to indulge in the perfect balance of flavors and textures as you create a batch of homemade chocolate vanilla strawberry ice cream. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Ingredients. 2 cups heavy cream. 1 cup whole milk. 3/4 cup granulated sugar. 4 large egg yolks. 1 tablespoon pure vanilla extract. 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. 1 cup fresh strawberries, hulled and diced. 1/2 cup chocolate chips or chopped chocolate. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Equipment. Medium saucepan. Mixing bowls. Whisk. Fine mesh sieve. Blender or food processor. Ice cream maker. Airtight container. Step 1. Creating the ice cream base. 1. In a medium saucepan, combine the heavy cream, whole milk, and half of the granulated sugar. 1. Place the saucepan over medium heat and stir the mixture occasionally until it reaches a simmer. 2. In a separate mixing bowl, whisk together the egg yolks and the remaining granulated sugar until well combined and slightly thickened. 3. This process, known as tempering, prevents the eggs from curdling when mixed with the hot liquid. 4. Cook the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly with a wooden spoon or spatula, until it thickens and coats the back of the spoon. 4. This should take about 8 to 10 minutes. 4. Be careful not to let the mixture boil. 5. Once the custard base has thickened, remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in the pure vanilla extract. 5. Set the custard aside to cool. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Step 2. Chocolate ice cream. 1. In a small bowl, whisk together the cocoa powder and a small amount of the cooled custard base to create a smooth paste. 2. Add the cocoa paste to the remaining custard base in the saucepan. 2. Whisk until the cocoa powder is fully incorporated and the mixture becomes smooth and chocolatey. 3. Place the saucepan back over medium heat and cook for an additional 2 minutes, stirring constantly. 3. This will ensure the cocoa flavor is fully infused into the ice cream base. 4. Remove the chocolate ice cream base from the heat and let it cool completely. Step 3. Strawberry ice cream. 1. In a blender or food processor, puree the fresh strawberries until smooth. 2. Pass the strawberry puree through a fine mesh sieve to remove any seeds or chunks. 3. In a separate bowl, mix the strawberry puree with a small amount of the cooled custard base, stirring until well combined. 4. Add the strawberry mixture to the remaining custard base and mix thoroughly. 4. Set aside to cool completely. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Step 4. Chilling and churning. 1. Pour the chocolate ice cream base into one compartment of the ice cream maker, and the strawberry ice cream base into another compartment. 2. Churn the ice cream bases separately according to the manufacturer's instructions, until they reach a soft serve consistency. Step 5. Layering and freezing. 1. In an airtight container, alternate layers of chocolate and strawberry ice cream, starting with a layer of chocolate. 1. Use a spatula or the back of a spoon to smooth each layer before adding the next. 2. Sprinkle the chocolate chips or chopped chocolate between the layers as desired, ensuring they are evenly distributed. 3. Once the container is filled, gently swirl the layers together using a spoon or knife to create a marbled effect. 4. Place the container in the freezer and let the ice cream firm up for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until it is fully frozen. Step 6. Serving. 1. When ready to serve, remove the chocolate vanilla strawberry ice cream from the freezer and let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes to soften slightly. 2. Scoop the ice cream into bowls or cones, and enjoy the delightful combination of chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry flavors. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Conclusion. Chocolate vanilla strawberry ice cream is a classic treat that combines 3 beloved flavors in one frozen delight. By following this recipe, you can create a batch of homemade ice cream that perfectly balances the richness of chocolate, the creaminess of vanilla, and the sweetness of strawberries. So, gather your ingredients, embrace your inner chef, and savor the delightful experience of making and enjoying this classic trio of flavors.